We're glad to welcome you aboard. When boarding a GRTC bus, please watch your step and use the handrails for assistance. All buses are low floor for easier boarding, and buses have wheelchair ramps for passengers needing additional assistance. If this is your first time using your bus pass, tap it on the fare box at the smart reader to activate it. On the mobile pass app, activate the pass on your screen and then scan at the bus fare box. You will see a green check mark on the fare box telling you your fare is paid. Please take your seat. If you are paying your fare in cash, please first tell your operator which fare pass you want to buy. When the operator tells you, insert your fare. Fare boxes require exact fare. The screen will verify your payment. The front seating area is reserved for priority customers, including individuals with disabilities, seniors, and, if needed, families with children. Please be prepared to offer your seat here to a priority passenger when needed. Passengers riding with children are welcome to sit anywhere inside, but are asked to secure strollers and baggage under the seat and hold on to small children in the adult's lap. Children must remain seated at all times. If you have a shopping cart, please remove your items from the cart and store under your seat, at your feet, or in your lap. Fold down the shopping cart and store it also. Please ensure personal items are secure before the bus departs. Most passengers can fit 2 large tote bags in their personal space.